So we've discussed a bit about energy and particularly latent heat, but now we're going to talk about how latent heat impacts the environment when absorbed or released by changing the state of water. So moving between phases or states of water, so types. So we have types of changes or phase changes, state changes that release latent heat. So they give up energy to the atmosphere and things like condensation. So when a vapor goes to a liquid, condenses into a liquid droplet, it's giving up latent heat to the environment. Um, Similarly, freezing, when liquid goes to solid, it's giving up energy. It's giving up energy to get more stable. And the same thing goes with deposition. So when it goes from vapor directly to solid. Now, we can also talk about phase changes that absorb latent heat. In the case, so these are taking in energy from the atmosphere to absorb latent heat. So the process absorbs it rather than giving it up to the atmosphere. So evaporation. And you can think of this as going to less stable forms. So going from liquid to vapor, going from solid to liquid in melting, or sublimation of going from solid to vapor. And the two we saw that you may not have heard of before, deposition and sublimation, they deposition is like frost forming on glass. It's going directly from vapor to solid. Sublimation, when snowbanks disappear, in a lot of cases, it's through sublimation. It's not through just melting. It's giving up that moisture to the air. It's going straight from solid to a vapor through sublimation, and the sublimation process again absorbs latent heat, so it's taking in energy from the environment.